Hey guys, this is a kid-friendly iPad case with Bluetooth keyboard. We call it stand box. This case consists of two parts, the big frame and the big stand. All of them are made of high-quality EVA material, lightweight, drop-proof, shock resistant. Okay, let's look at how to use this iPad case. First, we can insert iPad from here. Because the EVA material is very squishy and soft, so very easy installation, right? You can just place this iPad or you carry the little frame. Kids can grip the case outside the places, and your iPad still on the go. If you feel tight, you can place your iPad in the stand. If you place your Bluetooth keyboard on this slot, and it is very convenient for you to type or play games. I think this design must give a big surprise to gamers. And all the cutouts are accessible for iPad. And you don't need to take your iPad out and for charging. And last, let's see the removal. That's simple, right? This case is perfectly designed for kids. I think your kids will love it. That's all. Thank you.